Good morning, geniuses. My name's Hugh. I'm here at the Angola location, and many of you may not know, but today is a very special day. That's right, it's Macaroni and Cheese Day. I'm here with some special tips and tricks to help you spice up your kitchen. All right, so we've all looked up recipes on our phones while we're cooking, but are you using your device to its full potential? Modern technology has changed day-to-day life, and cooking is no different. Let's take a look at how we can improve the way you're cooking. All right, so poking and prodding your meal with a thermometer can be a pain. Your phone now has capabilities to pair with a Bluetooth app known as the Meter that can tell you the temperatures of your meat right from your phone screen. Now, what if you're smoking or grilling meat that can take hours to cook? Nowadays, there's grills and smokers out there like the Traeger Wi-Fi that can connect directly to your phone. And that can provide you with information, all kinds of information that you need, such as temperatures, timers, anything like that. And it also gives you access to over 1,500 recipes. Need a well-rounded diet to stay healthy. So let's not forget about the fruits and vegetables. The app Perfect Produce can help you pick the perfect produce for the season and how to properly store them for maximum lifespan. They also come with tips and tricks to enhance your meal. All right, for my last tip, I'm going to recommend an app called Substitution. There's nothing worse than diving headfirst into cooking dinner only to realize you're missing a key ingredient. Luckily for you, the app Substitution can help you analyze your recipe, and it will help you substitute any missing ingredients. I hope this information can help you spice up your dinner, and if you can comment your favorite recipe for this summer down below in the comments, that'd be greatly appreciated.